Hi everyone, we're here at Patriot Car Wash again, and check out their touch dresses. So, and we're back here at Patriot Car Wash again here.
And Jamie is following me home one time, and there's this asshole that passed her.
Hey,
Which one are we going in?
And
go on the middle.
Touchless or soft touch?
The touch dress is the Quicksilver,
you want to go to the one in the right or the one in the middle?
the middle one.
Okay, we'll go to the middle one.
The doors are opened.
I need to.
You getting out, Joey?
Yes, the doors are finally open. Okay. Right now we're gonna walk through the Quicksilver. We got your signage. Here's your exact stop. It's still a newer exact stop. So we're gonna walk through the Quicksilver. Okay. 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 Now here's a walk through to the Oasis. Here's your Pico dryers. Here's your gantries. Here's your underbody. Here's your exact up. Okay, we're just gonna go around. There's an Odyssey. That bag is a DNS Odyssey. Here we go. I thought it was out of service. Here we go. Come. So, it's a little chilly today. So it's an outside view Quicksilver. Now it's gonna buzz in a second. The light is red. Wait, why is it even doing anything? This Blockbuster doesn't work. There's our Patriot logo on there. There's our Odyssey. blasters. Hey, this machine is very big. Huh. I'm a Dino Wheelwood here. Haha. Okay. That's gonna work. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna walk out because okay, here we go. It's gonna work. Okay, I'm just gonna go on the other side. Let's go on the other side. Let's walk on the other side. And we're on the other side already. Hey. Now we will walk through to the Odyssey. The bushes. So it's very hot. Okay. Bushes. I spilled the bushes.
Okay, here you go.
Alright, so thanks. Peace out, everyone.